Bangalore has gas shortage, it seems, and here we are roasting corn on gas and wasting gas. Oh my god. Oil rice, this is Seeme Vayangan Utkari. This is Kadgi Randai with some bikand also. This is raw jackfruit. हाँ नाटक थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. Now this is the new meme that गैस सिलेंडर की कमी क्यों हो रही है क्योंकि उसको जला दिया गैस सिलेंडर में. Heavier than her. I don't know what she's doing. कसब पता है. Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. This is Lakshmi Nandan Kamath and welcome to the channel. Today is a lazy Sunday vlog, a sick Sunday vlog, I can say. I'm sick. So I wanted to shoot a vlog, Sunday vlog from long time. Today we are doing it. So before that, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. We are 4,000 plus strong family and let's reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2026. So I do need all of your support. So let's begin. Good morning, guys. My parents' lazy child has finally woken up. Oh, that's me. Haha, I finally woke up at 9:30 after not having a good sleep. And yeah, exactly. I look like Bhikhari homeless. So I just had a bath, and this is how I sound. I have bad cold and cough, and this is how sick I look, and this is how bad the cold and cough is. It's day 3. I think my baby's nanny got it home, the cold, and she gave it to the baby. Oh god, baby did not sleep at all that night. It was so bad. And after that, I think I got it from there, and it turned into tonsil pain, then running nose, and now it's day 3 of cough. From 2 nights I'm not able to sleep. Now I'm sleeping in a separate room. Last night I slept in a separate room so that baby doesn't catch it. The time is 10 and I woke up around 9. I had the bath and mom has already made breakfast and lunch. So I'll show you the breakfast. This chana curry with kanang. We very much use steel plates, steel spoons, and everything steel in the house. No glass plates. I can't manage it. I break it too often. So that's why we use steel plates. Look at my craziness. A bad cough, and I want to eat this bingo tedemere also along with that. And then I can cough all night, right? Perfect recipe. And I don't have voice today. And today I received a PR. Wow, that's so sweet of Garnier to send me a PR today. Supposed to make a reel, YouTube shorts. I don't have voice. And it's going to sound like this if I make a reel or a YouTube short. That's the PR. Oh, that's so sweet. Thanks, Garnier. Thanks to you guys. Without you, I wouldn't be here. So huge thanks to all my viewers, my subscribers. Thanks a lot for all the good wishes. Thank you for supporting me. Always keep supporting like this. Your support means the world to me. Off topic. If you're wondering what happened to these stickers, these were beautiful wallpapers in my house. And all credits to my daughter for just removing of everything. She just sees this and pulls this away. She just sees this, pulls this away. I mean, when we are carrying her, she wants to come near this. She'll act as if she's touching this, and then. So nothing is in one place, in one piece in our house. All credits to mom. Mom made great coffee for me. This is Nescafe instant coffee sunrise. Nescafe sunrise instant coffee. I just prefer this. Nothing else. First sip hits different. Daughter doing her daily dose of pokery. Doesn't sit in one place. Has found this cloth piece from somewhere and is just, oh, she's circling me. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಪಾಪ ಕೈ ಬತ್ತ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಅವರ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ಆಯ್ತಾರ ಕೋಣ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಮ್ಮಿ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಚಂಗ ಕಾಯಿ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿನ ಪ್ಯಾಚ್ మాకు ప్యాచ్ అన్ని ప్యాచ్ జల్లే అది అంకగా ఇందుకు ఇంటికి అన్ని కాలిపోయి నైలలో కంటే అమ్మా అమ్మ ఖాంకి రప్చా కసా కోరకా Indian moms are savage. Kaza Gaur Saraj, I asked what should I do to reduce cough. She's saying don't eat kurkure. Tede made. So my baby has a gap between the teeth. She has got about 6 teeth now. And
90, 100.
Exercise is going on. There's 6 teeth almost. This gap between her teeth, okay, this teeth. I was thinking, oh my god, now this is going to be bad because gap between the teeth, and when she grows old, then somebody told me that it's anyways temporary teeth, milk teeth will fall off. So I was okay. Then I saw some doctor's reel on Instagram saying that for babies they should have gap between the teeth, it seems. That is for the jaw to develop, because the face becomes big, the jaw also has to become big, no? That's why they should have gap between the teeth, it seems. So for any other mothers like me who are concerned that there is a gap between your baby's teeth, Gayatri is almost 1 year 1 month, and if you are having that concern that बच्चे के दांत में गैप है तो it's normal, don't worry. That's what the doctor told me, and that Instagram reel doctor told me. Okay, let's make it very clear. Time is 11:30. We gave a bath to the baby, and then now Guruji is trying to put her to sleep in the cradle, and I am also going to sleep now because I am too tired and I am not at all feeling good. I took a Dolo 650, a paracetamol. This is my setup. Setup here. I'm sleeping away from baby's room purposefully so that she doesn't catch any infection from me. I'll leave the camera like this for half an hour while it records me sleeping. I think my voice is getting a little better than what you heard in the morning when I was talking. Yeah. Yeah, so another thing I just remembered was we always tell now that YouTube monetization has become very difficult because you have to get 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 watch hours, which is like very difficult to do unless your video goes viral and hits like what 100k, that is 1 lakh views, 1 million views. Then within one video your channel gets monetized. That is 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So let me tell you today why that happened. Because when YouTube started, I think this is what I heard some other big YouTuber tell, that what used to happen was people used to record themselves sleeping like this, it seems. Just set the camera on there and they're just sleeping, doing nothing, just sleeping. And you know, this video used to go on for like what, 8 hours of sleep, 10 hours of sleep. There was no condition as is for monetization. The people used to record themselves sleeping like this and channel used to get monetized. YouTube used to pay. Then increasing amount of people started doing this. and after that, they brought strict rules. Even now on live stream, if you go at night, if you open that live stream section, when you're scrolling short, sometimes you get suggestions. You see people doing nonsense, soft porn. What people are doing nonsense. There, I just came live once in the night, I think. And some asshole is telling me that वो नाइटी का बटन उतार के दिखाओ. What the nonsense? These kind of people are doing live streams at night. I don't know why YouTube is not taking action. I just came live that day to talk to people if somebody is online. But then at night, these kind of people are online on live streams because such kind of content is also being published in the name of live stream and channel monetization. And YouTube is also pushing live streams. So that day I decided I'll not come in the night for sure. So yeah, I wanted to talk about that. When I was coming, lying down, I remembered that live stream thing. Hey, it's a sick Sunday. I'm feeling bad for my mom who's doing all the housework and even then taking care of me. I'm sorry.
2,000 years later.
Time is 1:35. मैं उठ गई finally. If you're asking what is all this little bit of red here and there, I did an experiment of coloring my own hair. So bad idea. Please get it done from a good salon. Otherwise, you'll end up with disasters like these. And now we're going to have lunch. My voice is much better, thank the God. Thanks a lot to God. This is sheath boiled rice. This is seeme vaingan utkari. This is kadgi randai with some bikand also. This is raw jackfruit. Seeme vaingan. This is pasta from Truffles, which I ordered last night. This is their bread, which comes with pasta. Leftover food from yesterday, which is also from Truffles. So yeah, this is my, totally different kind of a lunch plate. All the bikand is in Guruji's plate there. I can see it from here. Let me show you. This is all the bikand is in his plate. This is the bikand. I love bikand in food. Bikand is basically raw jackfruit seeds which you get in jackfruit inside that, right? That's called bikand. We GSB Konkani community guys make a lot of this kadgi, jackfruit, raw jackfruit curries and eat a lot of jackfruit. And from that ripened jackfruit also we make a lot of items. So thankfully my mom got raw jackfruit when she came from Udupi and that's what we are eating here. Great success. And now we are all sitting and watching Durandar on Netflix. I really feel bad for my wallpaper dude. What did my baby do this? I forced everybody now. Everybody's sitting and watching Durandar. See Durandar, we are watching. Veer Singh is too good in the movie. Too good. I watched it like 5-6 times already. And I made this guy watch once. Now it's his second time. I'm forcing my mom to watch now. And I can't wait for Durandar 2, which is coming out soon. Her only job is to bring things from here. All this is a mess. Bring things from here and take it there. And put it down and go around. See? It's heavier than her. I don't know what she's doing. Kasab pata hai? Now this is the new meme that गैस सिलेंडर की कमी क्यों हो रही है क्योंकि उसको जला दिया गैस सिलेंडर में. All this is fine, okay, but this scene, wait, not this scene, this scene, hey, कैसे जल्दी का this scene, bro, still gives me butterflies. I watched this like 5 times, I think. Wow, superb. This verse, they should release a full version of this. I don't know why they are not releasing this verse, this particular, stanza. This is amazing. And that alap or whatever you call it, he does. I'm talking because I don't get copyright. This one, oh wow. And here I'm trying to sterilize babies bottles in the pan. We don't have a sterilizer because I felt it was not worth it. I'm feeling much better now. That's the health update. I took a Dolo. I slept right, so it made me feel much better. And cold is also in control. Snacks now. I'm thinking I had ordered corn sometime back. The jola corn. So I am planning to roast that corn on the gas and do that street style jola that they sell. No, I'm just craving for that. So I thought I'll make it. Bangalore has gas shortage, it seems. And here we are roasting to corn on gas and wasting gas. Oh my god. Wow. Rich Pro Max. Amazing coffee. Nescafe Sunrise. All credits to mom. हाँ नाटक थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. I think I'm doing pretty well. I think I should start a cooking YouTube channel. Wow. Right? Lakshmi's failed cooking. How not to cook. That will be the theme of my cooking YouTube channel because I'm such a bad cook. Masala we have salt and this is mirchi powder, chili powder and some nimbu. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಲಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ this is a typical dialogues, right? What do you call that? So I'll rub this. Wow! Come, let's unbox this PR with me. Magotna. Yay! Wow! Garnier Salicylic Fresh. This one. And then this is Garnier Vitamin C Fresh and Bright. And then this is Garnier Niacinamide Fresh and Plump. Wow. Thank you, Garnier, for sending these PRs. Thank you. And thanks to you guys for constantly supporting me. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here. Please support me, your girl, your Udupi girl in Bengaluru, Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. Yeah, let's try swatching and let me show you what this is. Salicylic acid fresh and matte over my hand and I'll show you. Then maybe I have to shoot a reel, so I'll change clothes and how the cream looks. Oh, wow. If I swatch it on my hand, it feels very cool and smooth. Nice. Ah, oh my god. This smells really good. Oh, the color is so cute. It's the same color as the box. And for dinner, we got food from Antera. I don't know how do you pronounce it. There was rice and kadgirandai, but then I don't know. I'm such an idiot. Though I was not well, I wanted to eat outside food. I was craving for outside food, so then we got biryani, veg, a special veg biryani from Antera, which was bad. Let me tell you, it was their Marathalli outlet where we got it delivered from Swiggy, and it was dry. Very little raita was given, and the biryani was very spicy and dry also. And yeah, of course, like every other biryani, no much vegetables, just dry rice. So I didn't like it. It was spicy. At least give some more dahi. That also they didn't give. I didn't like it. I don't recommend. And I could not get and I could not find any good veg biryani in Bangalore. Please suggest me some good veg biryani restaurants here in Bengaluru, if you are aware of any. Then after that, we put the baby to sleep. We give her a bath in the night also, and we gave her a bath because we assume that because she's a bad sleeper, she doesn't sleep at all in the night. So we assume that, if we give her a hot water bath, then she feels tired and at least she'll sleep well. So that's the logic. So we put her to bed around 9:30ish, and now she's sleeping. And then I had to edit some reels that I had to post for this Garnier PR that I received, which I did. And now I'll edit this vlog in some for some time. And yeah, my cold is much better than how I was sounding in the morning today. Yeah, so that was my attempt to film a Sunday vlog, a daily vlog kind of. I couldn't show you guys much, but yeah, sometime back I did get comments that film a daily vlog. Why don't you film a daily vlog? So I thought, okay, let's do this today. But I chose the wrong day. Maybe next weekend again. How did you like this? Do you want to see more of these kind of vlogs? Let me know in the comments. I've got lots of video to edit. Okay, let me. If you want a list, I can tell you. That is, I have to edit my um, husband's cousin's wedding vlog. I have to edit a Kanjivaram silk sari shopping vlog, and I have to edit uh, my baby's first year birthday vlog. Is that a face reveal? I don't know. So yeah, three, four vlogs in line, but then I fell sick this weekend, so couldn't edit anything. So lots of good content coming up. So make sure you subscribe, hit that bell icon so that you don't miss an update. And I hope I get well soon. And if you like the video, hit that like button and tell me in the comments, do you want to see more vlogs like this? And share it with your friends. And you can also hype the video, don't forget that. May Lord Krishna bless all of you and a very happy Yugadi, which is on March 19th. We from the GSB Konkani community celebrate Yugadi on March 19th. So happy Yugadi to everybody. I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.